Hello everyone, welcome to this class on spreadsheets for engineers, and in this class let's learn this topic optimization using the solver. And here how you are going to minimize the costs. That is, here you have first table, that is warehouse 1 to customer 1, warehouse 2 to customer 1 to 5, warehouse 3 to customer 1 to 5. What is the cost of one unit, product cost? That is 3 it's 3 nothing but 3.26 rupees for per unit cost. And similarly, here available inventory in warehouse 1 is 66,000, it's 50,000 in warehouse 2 and 70,000 in warehouse 3, and the total is 1,86,000. And the ordered one by each customer is also mentioned over here. Customer 1 is 14,000, customer 2 is 35,000, so customer 3 is 76,000, customer 4 is 36,000, and customer 5 is 12,000. So here you will have to minimize the total costs. How much customers, how much orders should each customer order from each warehouse, so that the total cost will be as least as possible. So that one you are going to do it by using Excel. So how we are going to do that is go to solver over here. So here you have set objective. So I'm going to select this cell. So before doing that, we will have to set a formula over here. So the formula will be sum product. So go to this cell where the total cost you have and try to click this formula, that is sum product, open the brackets. So this is going to be array number 1, while this is going to be this cell, this where this empty cells are going to be array number 2, because in empty cells later on we are going to enter something. So first let's try to fix that. So now it's 0. Suppose if I try to enter some number, let me try to enter 5. You can see it is showing some number. It is trying, if I try to enter 3 there, so some number it keeps changing. So for now I'll delete that. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll try to go to this solver, and let me try to click this cell, and I want it to minimum, I want it as minimum as possible. So by changing which variable cells, so let me try to select this, let me try to select this empty cells. So these variable cells I'm going to enter. So here I'm going to add some constraints as well. So the first constraint is, so here you can see already even these cells are also made using 0. That means here horizontal and vertically we have added already. So first thing is, I'm going to select all these cells, and these cells, that is from customer 1 to 5, that must be equal to, this one. That is very important, that must be equal to this. While the second constraint will be, select these three, that must be lesser than or equal to this. So let me try to select that constraint, that must be lesser than or equal to this, and again add a constraint, select all these, and all those must be an integers. Okay, now click OK, now click solve. Okay, let me try to keep the solver solution. You can see the total cost is 7,90,520 rupees, and here from warehouse 1 to customer 3 only, all 66,000 products are delivered, and warehouse 2. So finally these values must be equal to, so you can see all these values are equal, and similarly warehouse 2 to customer 1 to customer 4, 5, all that is delivered. So here, as I told you, here you'll have to put a formula adding all these three initial, and then you have to drag it over here till here, and here you'll have to add all these five, and that must be equal. You can drag it over down, so that is how it has to be there. I hope you understood this. Thank you.